Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can add a website on your TikTok bio. To do so, first of all, you just have to log into your TikTok account from your Google Chrome browser. And now after you have logged into your account, you just need to go onto your profile, which is on the left side of your screen. After you go onto your profile, here's an option for edit profile. Click on edit profile. And now this pop-up will appear, and here you can see on the bio option you can paste any kind of website link that you want to see on your bio. After you have done so, just click on save, which is on the bottom of your screen, and after you have clicked on save, you can see that your bio has been updated with the link of the website. If it's not showing up on your screen, just refresh the screen, and here it has loaded up. And that's how you can add website to your bio from your TikTok on your laptop. This was this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.